Right guys, welcome back to the channel. So today, me and Liam have come up to Leeds Urban Bike Park. Again, just on the little pump track round here. Again, just holding some more skills on the dirt jumpers. So you're going to get some chesty footage and probably some third-person stuff from you. Fingers crossed we get some of these. Some decent features here, like the top end of the top. Top end of the top, so that's what the top end is. You like some of the steeper shit. So, I reckon we'll probably get some of that. So, yeah. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the clip, guys, and catch you soon.
Nice. Yeah, man. That was well smoother.
Yeah, a little bit smoother.
Your case, I think it was that one a tiny bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, there you go. That was well nice.
Yeah, so much better.
Yeah, man.
Guarantee probably on that clip. You see me like dead saying a little bit, but that's really cool. I love that line. That's just so fun. The first one's just a bit weird because like you either get it perfect or you overdo it.
That was like utterly butterly smooth.
So yeah, now what we're gonna do, head over to the big drop in like the BMX track. And then we'll kind of work our way around. I think that's probably the best thing to do. So we're now at the top line of the BMX thing. Race line, isn't it, really?
Yeah.
But this is good though, because like a big thing for dirt jumping is obviously pumping. So this will get you pretty good at hitting stuff with a bit of pace behind it. So I'm gonna go down here now. I'm gonna try and clear this line.
Yeah. Work at it, don't you?
That's it, man.
Nice.
We'll give it a go.
Yeah.
Sweet. Let's go.
You what? Chain come off.
I need a bit more tension in that. Good luck. Yo. Oh my fucking god. Oh my fucking god. Not comfortable at all on this now.
Yeah, there you go. That was better. Yeah, man. Yes. That was well better.
Yeah?
You cased this one a little bit,
Yeah.
but your motion, you looked a bit more fluid-like.
It's just a whole nother dynamic now, because
When you get used to that, mate, you'll be
yeah.
pissing everything.
Sound. It's not harder, it's easier, but it's just getting, now it's that conscious thought of bring your legs up, bring your legs up. Try again, I'll go again.
Nice. Nice. Yeah, man. That was nice landing, that.
Really a little on my ass.
Yeah.
No, it definitely works a bit better. It's just now trying to get it so it looks
Smooth.
So Liam's going to show me that technique on the same line now, just so I get a better understanding. I know what he means, but when you watch it firsthand, it's probably a bit easier, if that makes sense, to get that imagery in my head. But yeah, so he's gonna drop in now. He's gonna do that technique on these, just so I get an understanding how to do it. And that is how it's done, ladies and gentlemen. That's sick. Yeah, I get it now. So that is the end of this session up in Leeds Bike Park. I know it was very similar to the Bowl Hill video, but I literally just want to show people that you can come to these sort of places and just progress. Obviously Bowl Hill is great, this place is great, but yeah, today, bit of everything really, wasn't it? It's like, you know, I looked at features that we wasn't gonna, well, we wanted to hit, but obviously I was well out of my comfort zone up there, and I don't know why, because even at John's I've hit the first dirt jump, but that was just, I think it was like you said, the fact that the takeoff was so much
bigger than, it's weird that one.
Yeah, the takeoff was shorter than the lander, which was just, it kind of got in our heads a little bit. So hopefully next time we come here we should get that.
Yeah.
But unfortunately today was a bit of a nightmare day for me, because obviously I've had the rear hub put on, and for some strange reason, I don't know what it is, it might be the fact that I run an oval chainring on the dirt jumper, you know, and maybe, I don't know what it was, but you've probably seen in the clip that played before, as I was cranking down the start rolling sort of thing, literally the whole chain just fell off the rear cog where the hub is. So I don't know if it's something to do with that cog, I don't know if it's something to do with the way I've spaced it out, but yeah. So I've been coming back and forth to the van constantly, putting it back on, moving my wheel, pulling my wheel, changing the tension of the chain. So unfortunately today knocked a bit of my confidence trying to crank into stuff when I know I should be. You know, I know Liam addressed it before saying, you know, go a bit quicker. And it's hard when I'm not confident enough to put the cranks in case the chain just goes boom from me again.
Because I feel like a bit of an arsehole because I'm used to telling you, like, yeah, just go a bit quicker, mate. But, and then it clicked, and I realised that you can't, because you can't, obviously,
can't crank,
that's coming off.
Yeah.
So I was like, yeah, I feel a bit of a dickhead now.
Nah, don't worry about that. But the thing is, hopefully take this to the back to Dirt Factory shop. I know they'll get it sorted for me, so fingers crossed. It's just it's probably something so small that I'm just not, like, you know, it'd be a simple fix, no it will.
Yeah.
But yeah, I appreciate you guys for tuning in again, watching this. Again, huge thank you to Dirt Factory. Again, I'll leave the link down below. Make sure you check them out. And the shop is up at Farmer John's. So again, you can get up there, ride at John's, and there's a little decent shop up there as well. So yeah, huge shout out to them guys. Thanks for the support. Again, thanks for Liam for filming and editing the video. You know, I will link his page down below as well. Definitely check his stuff out. Great editor. But yeah, and again, thanks guys for watching. I really appreciate this, and I really appreciate the support. It means a lot. So yeah, tune in for the next one, guys, and I'll catch you soon. Peace.